it's like if you go to both these, you can actually have firsthand experience for that job in the future that you want to do, which I think is very valuable and very important. I'm Michaela Goldman. I'm in welding. I'm a senior from Westmoreland High School. I believe it was a middle school, and we came here for one of the career fairs. And I think I saw the welding program here, and I thought it was really cool. Favorite thing is just getting out there welding. Well, I was just working on MIG welding. You can weld an abundance amount of things if you have the right idea for it. Things that people can actually use, and you can fix up many other things around your house as well, or make these giant metal sculptures out of nothing. I would recommend it for anybody who has a sense of adventure. It makes your days go by way shorter, which is nice because nobody wants to sit in a classroom all the time with high school. And you learn a lot more life skills. You learn how to weld pieces together, to use grinders, and to use all these different machines here too. And you learn some valuable vocabulary for this as well. But it does take a lot of practice and willingness to do it. I plan on going to MBCC next year. Since I did it junior year last year and senior year this year, I will have 2 credits that go towards my diploma. Half of everything that you see is welded, either something at your house or some big sculpture. There's a lot in the Rome area. So I mean, if you've ever seen those and if you've wondered how they were made,